Okay, so I just want to talk about something that really pisses me off. Basically, I hate when people say, "Oh, I love this love triangle, it's so cutie patootie," and it's just two very hot women, like, going after, like, the most regular guy ever. Do you know what a triangle is? It is not shaped like a V, honey. Like, where's my love triangles where one hot woman is in love with another? But it's, like, doomed because, the other woman likes a guy. When you wake up next to him. Anyways, that's all I wanted to yap about.